God bless everyone. Today is Sunday. Sunday is fun day. Are you having fun yet? I hope everybody having fun because Canada long weekend. Okay, all over Canada is holiday. Okay, because Canada long weekend because Canada Day. Okay, so most people in Canada we are celebrate Canada Day long weekend. Okay, so we all spend time with friends, family, the loved one. Okay, so I hope everybody having fun. So today I try to avoid the sun, maybe too much sun. So I decide sit on the grass and sit under the tree, enjoy myself. Okay, so I just watch tarot reader about life. Sometimes some people don't believe in tarot reader. They say this, say that. But actually, for me, more than 50% tarot reader online are actually accurate for me. Okay, even sometimes I think it's no way this and that, and some way that I say, oh my God, it's so accurate. I don't know why, but a lot of things mystery out there in life. Sometimes I don't know why I end up in Canada. Maybe because of faith. I do believe in faith. Okay, faith, or people call navigate by God. How about that? To me, God, navigate by God, or faith are same, almost similar, you know, or different word sometimes mean the same thing. You know what I mean? So I named this story called Navigate by God because sometimes when people try to hurt us, you know, how do we know? Or sometimes we know life gonna be good. How do we know? Or sometimes we in danger. How do we know? Because we are navigated by God. Some people believe more than another because I don't know. To me, it's based on my own experience. That's why I'm feel happier because I feel that I'm not alone. I feel like I'm navigated by God. Okay, a lot of things. Sometimes I know some people close to me try to hurt me, or can be your boyfriend or your friend, your best friend, or who's somebody close to you. They try to hurt you or try to whatever, or they lies to you. You can feel it, or you know what I mean. So some people think, oh, that's nonsense, this and that, or they not fear to be a bad person. You know what I mean? So you know what I mean. Bad person is, you know what bad person mean? Bad person, they can hurt people really, really bad sometimes, because they think they have the right, That's why, in this world, in the war, they kill too many innocent people, okay, by powerful man, you know what I mean? So, unfortunately, many of those people around in this planet That's why sometimes there's no peace, you know what I mean? But sometimes we still have to believe that life is navigated by God, okay? Or faith, okay? Don't forget that. Okay, I know some people look at me from the outside, the way I act, the way I whatever. I represent myself. I'm a fun person. People probably don't believe that I actually believe in God, you know? Or some people don't even believe I know how to cook, I know how to do this, I know how to do that. Because they look at me from the outside that I'm kind of party animal person. That's what they kind of look at me. But they don't know me that deep down I do believe in God, okay? Or universe. Actually, depend how you call it, okay? We all have something to believe in life. This is what keep us going, okay? So we have to believe in faith, okay? Sometimes you're meant to be wherever you are, to be rich, to be poor, to be whatever, okay? Be navigated by God or faith, okay? So don't blame on why I do something good, it's not happen. I know we all want something fast, but not always happen overnight. But life, you know what I mean? Just keep going and don't give up, okay? We all have good day, bad day. Focus on yourself. Don't worry about the past and enjoy the present, and we look forward for a good future, okay? Remember, life is navigated by God, okay? By the way, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.